What's up, guys, and welcome to the Coders Cantina. Today we are diving into the world of performance optimizations in Laravel. Specifically, we're looking into the implications of using Eloquent models versus raw database queries. It was brought to my attention that my package laravel-translations has a potential performance bottleneck. This package uses database tables to store translations compared to the default language files we all know. This gives editors the flexibility of changing strings without going through code commits and deployments. Let's measure that today and improve it. So, to kick things off, I have prepared a simple page which just spits out one translation that triggers our database loader to load all translations. And as you can see, we instantiate nearly 2,000 models. So for every translation we have in our database for the current language, we have one model. This will consume a total of 5 megabytes, and the request took around 100 milliseconds. I'd like to give that also better timings and use the AB benchmark with a concurrency of 50 requests and running 500 requests. As we can see, our test results are in, and we have a mean time of nearly 700 milliseconds and a median time of around 600 milliseconds. So with the benchmark results in hand, let's head over to the code and make our improvements. So as you can see, we use a config variable to allow the users of the package to override the class or the Eloquent model they are using. To retain the same functionality, we have to change a little bit. So I would change that to the table name and use the class in the function and then store the table name and retrieve it from the Eloquent with the method getTable. With that ready, we need to get to the fetch method, which actually fetches the translations from the database. As you can see, we use two different methods for that, either fetch translations for locale to load all translations for a given locale, or use fetch translation by key to allow a namespacing and grouping to fetch only a subpart of that. So with that ready, let's change this class, which we removed, to DB. It's the Laravel facade to access database, and then we use the table method and give it this table. That's our table name we have retrieved from the model. And then we have to make some changes. As we are not getting back an Eloquent model, we can't run toArray in this method, and we could kick that. As we said, we have no array but a standard class, so we remove the type hint, go to our translation key method. Here we can see we are still using the array accessors that need to be switched out to the object accessors. Also, the type hint needs to go away as we have a standard class, and that's the first thing we fixed. And another change we need to make is this map with key function, which would assume or accept an array. And this accessor needs also go to the standard class way. So with our changes made, let's head over to the browser again, give it a refresh, and we can see we are down to 0 models. And we've reduced our memory footprint from 5 megabytes to 3 megabytes. And the request duration is also down. So let's retest it by running AB again. Let it finish. And we see we have an improvement from 700 and 600 to down to 460, 440. While this improvement might not be monumental, it's the first step in the right direction. Such tweaks can add up quickly, especially in the wild world of larger applications. As you have might noticed, we're still loading all translations on every request. That can be improved by introducing some sort of caching layer, but that's a topic for another video. Thanks for joining today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!